Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I'm finally getting around to do a follow-up review on the watch I received for my watchgang Platinum membership for July 2018. If you guys remember, I received a Dreyfuss & Co. 1925 men's automatic rose gold, had a white dial, silver dial with a open heart. It was actually a really nice looking watch, just not my style. I actually traded it to one of the subscribers slash a fellow Watch Gang member, Scott. If you're watching this one, shout out to you. Thanks for the trade for a Dreyfuss men's 1953 automatic blue dial watch. As you can see, this is a little bit more my style. It's on a dark blue rubber strap and has a nice dark blue enamel dial. And I really like the indices. There's a lot I like on this one actually. I think it's just a very simple, nice looking watch. So this one is a 41 millimeters wide, 316L stainless. It is 13 millimeters thick. We do have sapphire glass, and we've got, I actually really like the buckle on this strap. There's like I said, there's a lot on this one I like. We got logos going on everywhere. I really like the logoed crown, treatment of the crown there. This one does have a screw down crown. It is what they call to their seafarer standard, which means this is 70 meters water resistant. And we do have a hackable movement that can be manually wound. This one is a Salida, hopefully I said that right, SW200. Now I've seen a lot of comparisons between this SW200 and the ETA 2824 movement, and I've actually kind of read that parts are kind of interchangeable between that ETA movement and this movement. People have called the SW200 a generic version of that ETA movement. I don't know, just relaying the info. I actually really like this one. I'm glad Scott made the trade with me. It does have Lume on the indices and hands. We'll go dark really quick and take a look at the Lume. Alright, here we are in the dark. As you can see, the Lume is already going. That's really just from being under my lights. See how bright we can get it? Not too shabby. Back in the light, we will pull off my Laco JU52 and we will throw on the Dreyfuss & Co. and see how it looks on wrist. So far I found this watch to be really comfortable. I was never a huge fan of rubber straps, but this one has grown on me, and I think really part of it is just I like the buckle. I really do. I like that buckle design, and the strap itself is really comfortable. Not too bad. That's how it looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. Like I said, I really like this one. Honestly, I think these Dreyfuss & Co.'s are some of the nicer watches that Watch Gang is sent out on the platinum level. So if you go to Dreyfuss's site, the retail price on this one is $1,340, which I would say that definitely is one of those blown up retail prices for sure. We got these on our subscriptions for $299, and I've seen different Dreyfuss watches on eBay anywhere between that $299 up to $500 or $600 and above. Now, it seems like a lot of them are floating around in that $300 to $400 range. And who knows, maybe doing some more digging around, you might find a little bit better price. Overall, really like it. I'm actually really happy with my trade. I hope Scott was happy with his side of things. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.